Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be hooking up the spoiler brake light. So originally I was gonna do it to the tail light, but it's too many wires. And from research I've done to do like factory wiring, it's connected to the third brake light, which is located right here. So I'm gonna cut this pigtail off, and I'm gonna put some new ones on. So for the method I'm doing, all you need is a pry tool, pliers. I'm gonna use these, and you're gonna need a pry tool. So I'm gonna set you on a tripod. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna cut this piece off. So then I'm gonna sit there and split this. I'm not sure the camera's gonna pick it, but the camera's wide enough. So I'll make it even. So about right there. I don't have a wire insulator cutter, so I'm using a sharp box cutter. And all I'm doing is being carefully cutting down the insulation to expose the copper wire that's underneath. Alright, so that's what I did, and I didn't cut any of the wires. Now what I'm going to do, there's some grommets, one right here, one right here, one right here, one right there, and there. Sorry about that. So now we got access to the brake light, third brake light. So what I'm going to do, which one is it? I believe it's this wire, because it's attached to a connector. Alright, that's as far as I can pull it. Yeah, so that's the third brake light right here. So let's see how we're going to do this wiring. So let me do a test. White is positive, black is negative. Alright, so I was right. So this is third brake light, and I just got an old battery pushing down the brake pedal. So now that we know that's for sure it, let me get the battery off the brake pedal and then we proceed. Alright, so that's as far as the wire's gonna come out. So I think the best method I'm gonna do is just use these. Get the camera's focus. Alright, so what I did, I'm changing my method a little bit. So I pulled out the third brake light. I'm gonna stick the wires up through there, because I'll have a lot more working space from above. And that'll be perfect. Right length. So let's go inside the car. So inside the car, the wire is long enough. So we're just gonna do the same thing I was gonna do from, I attempted to do from the bottom. So I'm putting one on the black, which is the ground. So that's where the ground will be, and then I'm gonna put one on the, let's see, do it this way. Alright, so both is on. It's on the wrong slot. So I'm just moving it to the right hole. Alright, there you go. So it should look like that. And then we're going to clamp it down. Verify that each wire is in its correct line. So now I'm going to tighten it. We'll secure the connection. And voila. And they fully secure. So now we're going to do the same, repeat the same thing for the positive. Verify that they're in the right hose. And then clamp it down. Once that metal piece is flushed, I mean, it connected. And voila. So now we're going to test it again. So I got the battery back on the brake. This is working. Alright, so brake light on the spoiler is now connected. Now that we know that that's great, we're going to stick this back there. So let me try to have this camera stand up. Right there should be fine. So yeah, maybe I was wrong. Let's try it right there. So what I'm gonna do, stick the wires back down carefully through the hole and tuck them away. And then to put this back in, slide it back to its hole. Some of the wires still could fit so much wire. Alright. Just push it through, push it forward, and then push down. Let some of the wires get in there. Alright, that should be far enough. So let's do this again. Alright, that's in. That's in. Voila. So back to the trunk. We're gonna have this nicely tucked, that way it's not just dangling. So I'll be using hood connectors, well, hood cable release connectors. Part number 6562588J0000. So set you on a tripod. So for the little connector, just open the bottom portion, feed the wire through the middle, and then I'm gonna stick the first one right there. You hear it click in place, and then just put the clips on. That's it. Now I got my spoiler brake light working. So that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.